Hello, this is Doug, WE6Z, and in this video we're going to look at removing the IF subboard or subchassis from the Collins R390A. So, you'll have to start out by removing the screws along the cover here, and then pull the cover slightly back, and then pull it off. And then here in the back, there are two small mini BNCs that you need to unplug right here. There's one additional one right here that you need to disconnect. And then you need to pull this connector here up and out of the way. Disconnect it. And then in the front here, you have to move your knobs, the BFO pitch and the bandwidth knob, until it lines up so that you can get to this fitting here. And then take your Bristol wrench and loosen those connections up here and here. Once you've loosened those up, you can pull on the shaft here and it will actually pull away. Pull these forward on both of these knobs so that you can get access to this whole subchassis here. And then you need to undo the green captive screws in the front here and in the back here. Once you've got those undone, you should be able to pull the whole unit out. You may be able to hold it by this aluminum box here, pull it up and then out, and then you have it free.